Before you view the video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos every day. 11 Natural Remedies for Bronchitis. Bronchitis is an uncomfortable ailment that leaves you coughing for weeks and comes with plenty of mucus. Although many physicians treat bronchitis with antibiotics, a majority of cases are caused by viruses and antibiotics are completely ineffective. Try using some safe and natural remedies. They can help to reduce swelling in the bronchial tubes and relieve your sometimes painful cough. Here are 11 effective natural remedies for bronchitis. Lifestyle changes. 1. Anti-inflammatory and probiotic-rich diet. Anytime you are trying to fight an infection, whether it's viral or bacterial, you should focus on eating anti-inflammatory foods that will help to strengthen your immune system and reduce internal swelling. Eat plenty of raw fruits and vegetables, which will provide important vitamins and minerals and won't produce mucus. Bone broth is another healing food that will supply essential vitamins and minerals, helping you to get well quickly. It's also helpful to eat probiotic-rich foods because they boost immune function and replenish the healthy bacteria in your gut, which is necessary if you are on antibiotics. Some excellent options include kefir, cultured vegetables, like sauerkraut and kimchi, kombucha, coconut kefir and cultured yogurt. There are also some foods that you should avoid because they are mucus-producing, including conventional dairy, sugar and fried foods. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day will help to thin the mucus in your bronchial tubes, reducing your cough and making it easier to breathe. Drink a glass of water about every 2 hours. 3. Use a humidifier. A humidifier can help to loosen mucus and relieve wheezing and limited airflow. Humidification therapy is cost-effective and effective for patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Use one in your bedroom throughout the night until your bronchitis symptoms have cleared. 4. Quit smoking. The most important step you can take to reduce your chances of developing bronchitis is to quit smoking or don't start smoking. Multiple studies have found that the risk of chronic bronchitis is significantly higher in current smokers than in people who have never smoked. However, research also shows that approximately 5 years after quitting, chronic bronchitis risk in past smokers approached that in non-smokers. It's also important to try to avoid secondhand smoke and other lung irritants, such as dust, vapors, fumes and air pollution. Supplements. 5. Echinacea. Many of Echinacea's chemical constituents are powerful immune stimulators and provide significant therapeutic value. Many studies show that Echinacea has the ability to fight the common cold with its antiviral properties, cutting the chances of catching a cold by 58%. It also helps to reduce cold symptoms, which are also common complaints by people suffering from bronchitis. Instead of using over-the-counter medications to relieve pain associated with bronchitis, you can use Echinacea to ease a sore throat or headache instead. 6. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to boost your immune system and it decreases the severity and duration of colds and other respiratory issues caused by viruses. You can take 1,000 mg of vitamin C per day to fight off oncoming cold symptoms, or take 4,000 mg per day to get rid of a cold that is already in your system. Because bronchitis usually starts out as the common cold, use vitamin C to address the issue before it becomes a bigger problem. You can also add vitamin C foods to your diet, which includes oranges, kale, kiwi, strawberries, grapefruit, red peppers, green peppers, guava and broccoli. 7. Astragalus. Astragalus root is one of the most powerful immune-building plants on the planet. It helps to strengthen weak lungs and increase the body's ability to fight infections. However, it is not recommended with a fever. Although the full extent of the herb's capabilities are yet to be determined, there is sufficient evidence to suggest that astragalus can be used as an adjunct therapy for boosting the immune system and fighting conditions like bronchitis. 8. Ginseng. Ginseng is an herbal supplement that can help to improve lung function, which is why it's commonly used to treat respiratory conditions like asthma. It has the power to decrease lung bacteria and treat chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It also reduces inflammation and boosts immune function. Essential oils. 9. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil can be very helpful for people with bronchitis. The main constituent of eucalyptus, cineole, can reduce exacerbations and shortness of breath, while improving lung function. Research also suggests that cineole is an active controller and reducer of airway inflammation. You can make a steam bath with eucalyptus oil. Pour a cup of boiling water into a bowl and mixing in 10 drops of oil. Then place a towel over your head as you lean over the bowl and inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also apply 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil and equal parts coconut oil directly to the chest as a vapor rub. 10. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil gives a cooling sensation and has a calming effect on the body. It also has antimicrobial properties and the power to clear the respiratory tract. To relieve bronchitis symptoms, inhale peppermint oil directly from the bottle. This will help to unclog your sinuses and ease your sore throat. You can also apply 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil to the chest with a warm compress. 11. Oregano oil. Oregano oil acts as a natural antibacterial agent and it supports bronchial health. It serves as a natural antibiotic, without the harmful side effects. Oregano oil also has the power to treat viral conditions, reduce inflammation and relieve bronchitis symptoms that are caused by allergies. To use oregano oil as a natural antibiotic, take 1 to 2 drops with equal parts coconut oil internally for no longer than 2 weeks at a time.
If you like the video, give us a thumb up, share it with your friends, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you.